So it's no secret that one of our favorite roof racks for many of the Land Cruisers is the ARB Base Rack from ARB. They use an extruded, fully welded aluminum design that we have found to be very durable or strong for heavy loads, as well as very quiet on many applications. Newly released from the relationship between Nacho Lighting and ARB is the Nacho Nano lights. They packaged them really cool for the ARB Base Rack. This is one of the first that we've had the luxury of installing and wiring. They have an option of 2 lights or 4 lights that mount on the corners. You just unbolt the corner of the base rack, install their brackets and their lights. Great place to mount a light. All the wiring is going to go through the extrusion, so nice and clean. Removes a lot of the questions that you would normally have when adding a one-party light to a different party rack. So very excited about that. For this particular customer, we went with the 4-piece kit. He already had a switch pros in place, so we had some discussion on how he's going to use these. We have one switch dedicated to all the amber lights that are part of the Nanos, and then with a second switch, we can turn on one side in the white or the other side in the white. So very, very versatile and usable. I'll just kind of tuck in here. We got the amber set up now. If we come over here, we can do driver's side, passenger side, very bright. These lights have about a 180-degree pattern, so it can light up with all 4 lights about 360 degrees within the truck. But just wanted to share with you, very clean wiring, very clean mounting, and very usable, tidy, nice lights. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us. We're happy to answer any questions for you. SleeOffRoad.com. Click, like, subscribe, do all the stuff.